So in the class, you had a few things in your packet that you could use for patterns. And I just want to reemphasize that there's lots of things that you can find at home to use in mixed media. So this is like a little ribbon piece or something. You see that it's got little holes in it. So I can use this little piece and I can come in with a little, you can either come in with a paintbrush or a makeup brush. And I can just begin to move the paint over this little netting piece, and that will begin to put some texture onto my page. And I might want to do that in 2 or 3 different places. I may add black to this one, so it has a little bit different color tone to it. So there you go. I'm going to add it one more place. And then because I've got this little stamper, I can come in here and I can take either the white or the black or both and make little circular designs on my paper here. Don't know if you can see that. See how I made those, and I can go over here and do similar thing. Maybe I can take an all black. So remember, you want the rules of thirds. So preferably you're not doing even number things. So I've got 6, so I probably want to add at least one other dot. And you see I've got 3 of the different screen type things. Also showed you how you could take a piece of cardboard, and again you can put some black paint on that and use it as a stamp to give you a little different design. So that one didn't show up very well. It looks like I need a little more paint. So let me just do that. So I'll put a little more paint on this and just make a few marks so I get more of a little ridgy type, because that's what it looks like. And if you just start to open your imagination, there's so many things at home that you can be using. So here's a little corkscrew thing. Perhaps I'll take a little bit different color and put some more circular things on with that. Let's see. So maybe I'll even go into the middle of the ones that I already have and put this yellow dot into there. So you see what I've done here. And I can even take this and use it sort of as a paintbrush to make shapes. So really, everything is a tool, and you just have to use your imagination and think, wow, I wonder what that could do in my painting. I also sent you a little polka dot thing. So this is just another stamp idea that will give you a little bit different look. So there's 1, 2, 3. And again, I don't know what I'm going to do with these pages here. What I'm doing is I'm just adding a lot of texture and lines. So this is the end of a tape roll. And I'm going to pour some purple paint on my plate. And I'm just going to see what happens if I use that for a stamp. So I'm just going to see if what this looks like as a stamp. So I'm going to stamp it over that. I'm going to stamp it there. So I get a little bit different design when I use this piece. And you can stamp it pretty much wherever you want. You can stamp it halfway along the edges. But again, what you want to be thinking is, wow, what are all the things in my home that I already have that I could take into my art studio and begin to play with? So here's another bigger lid. So if you want to have a small collection of lids, they also become tools for putting larger circles into your paper. So I'm going to come in here, I'm just going to add a few of these and let them overlap on some of the things I've already got going. I need one more here, let's see. So it's not real visible, but you can see now there's bigger circles, and I've been using everything that you can find in your home. And I'm going to let this dry, but in the meantime, I want you to start thinking about what papers can I collect at home. So all of these designs right here have come out of envelopes that arrive with bills or whatever into my home, and they have beautiful designs that then can be glued onto this page and used as texture in a bottom layer. Little things out of a newspaper. If you got a hole punch, you can create other designs that then you can paste in here, but we'll stop this video while this dries. So this is just showing that there's lots of things that you have at home that you can already use to utilize and improve the marks that you can make in your art journal. Hope that's helpful. Talk to you soon.